Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone settings, tips and tricks. And in today's video, I'm going to show you on how to simply create your calling card on your Android phone to customize your calling card. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do here is to go ahead and make sure you choose a profile picture for your Google account or your Gmail. So for that, go ahead and open up your Gmail. Then after you open up your Gmail, make sure you click on the profile picture right here. And then you want to make sure you choose your profile picture that you want to use for the call contact display or on your Android phone. After you set up so for you to just have the profile picture, if you do not have a profile picture, simply tap on this camera icon right here. And it's going to take you to your Google account section, whereby you can simply upload your befitting profile picture that you would like to be displayed each time you are making call in your Android phone. So here we go. Select your profile picture, click on upload from device and add your profile picture. After you successfully add your profile picture, come back to your dialer right here. Then you want to make sure you click on this three slider. Then go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down right here, click on calling card. Then how will you appear to others when making or receive calls? Click on create right here. So you want to make sure, so if your profile picture has been fully updated or you change to a recent one, you make sure you select your Google account. Go ahead and click on continue right here. Then here you go. So here you can as well upload a new picture as the case may be. So we can get a picture from gallery, live camera or Google Photo. So I'm going to simply click on gallery right here and select a new picture. So I'm going to use this picture right here. Click on done. Then here you go. You can see it right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and you can also work on the font color. Everything depends on you. Okay. So I'm going to check. This is too much. Okay. I like this font color. Next thing you want to do right here is to simply click on done. And then come down below right here and then choose show your calling card to. You can decide to choose only your contact or everyone you talk to. And then go ahead and simply click on done. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Android phone settings, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.